After verifying your account and enabling two-factor authentication, you will be able to trade your cryptocurrencies. Start by logging into your Kraken account. On your homepage, select Kraken Pro. You will then be redirected to the Kraken Pro trading interface. In the left menu, choose the cryptocurrency pair you wish to trade. You also have the option to select whether you want to buy or sell at the market price or at a limit price. Adjust the price at which you wish to buy or sell your cryptocurrency and indicate the amount to allocate. You can use the gauge to set the percentage of your capital to invest. Click on Buy BTC to finalize the transaction. Feel free to refresh the page. Depending on the desired purchase or sale price, the process may vary in duration. Congratulations, you have successfully traded your cryptocurrency on Kraken. Your new tokens are now in your spot wallet.